Compost is a mixture of ingredients that can be used as fertilizer. It improves soil's basic properties and is commonly prepared by decomposing plant and food waste and recycling organic matter. I created my compost pile in an area that is relatively flat, close to my kitchen for convenience, but tucked to the side so it isn't an eyesore. It is also close to the hose and spigot. To make compost, you need a mixture of browns, carbon-rich items, and greens, nitrogen-rich items. For browns, you can use cut-up newspaper, cardboard, or leaves. For greens, I collect plant-based wastes in the container in my fridge. I keep the pieces small so that they can decompose faster. Start the pile with a layer of leaves, browns, then add greens and browns like lasagna. Add enough water to dampen the pile as necessary. Keep the volume of browns to greens about 3-to-1, just visually guesstimate this. When I get a full container of food scraps, I dump them on the pile and mix them in with a garden fork, covering the greens with a layer of browns. As the materials rot, the temperature will rise. Monitor the pile for temperature, moisture, and odor, and make adjustments as needed. Those who compost reduce trash that would otherwise go to landfills or incinerators. That limits greenhouse gases. Creating a compost pile takes minimal effort, equipment, expense, or expertise. In fact, it helps eliminate the need to purchase compost, fertilizer, and pesticides. Just add finished compost to your soil to make it healthier, prevent erosion, conserve water, and aid plant growth. Composting can even be fun. Instruction about composting is standard fare in most ecology units and classes. Don't let learning stop at school. Compost at home with your kids. It's backyard biology, learning for the fun of it. For educational content on composting and other science and cross-curricular activities, check out GCAT's Chronicle on Teachers Pay Teachers and Amazon. To stay in an enchanted woodland in the Hudson Valley, contact Pleasant Valley Maple Lodging at gmail.com.